I'm at your house here. This is a 10 foot long path, 5 foot wide, 26.5 feet long by 15 feet. Okay, so that's the patio area in the back. You might end up adding some of the viburnum behind the pool equipment over there. Or the viburnum along this fence is probably the best spot. Those viburnum from the front along this fence will create a bed along this fence. Then we talked about transplanting some shrubs in front of this fence. This fence is, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 8, about 45 feet long. The front walkway is 47 feet long, and it's, let's see how wide it is. About 4'3", 4'4" wide. So we'd reuse the same bluestone, about the same width. Pull it 2 feet further from the house, which then would make this landing roughly 7.5 feet wide by about 11, 12 feet, 11 or 12 feet wide by 10 feet wide. The landing here. Transplant a lot of the shrubs in the front. Transplant the birch tree further out. Probably install some more plants in this area to try to block that gap in the fence. Possibly replace that holly, because that's not going to really come back. Transplant all the shrubs in the front further away from the house once the walkway is pulled further from the house. Transplant these plants in front of the fence, as we spoke about. As far as lighting goes,